In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background in Surveymonkey. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to refresh the look and feel of your survey without changing any of your questions. Start by heading to the Surveymonkey website and sign in if you aren't already. That will take you to your dashboard, which is the hub where all your surveys live. From here, find the survey you want to update. If you manage many surveys, use the search bar or sorting options to locate the right one quickly. Click to open that survey so you can work on its design. Once you're inside the survey, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the navigation panel. You're looking for the option labeled Settings. This is where Surveymonkey groups design and presentation controls that affect the overall look of your survey. Go ahead and click Settings to open those options. In the Settings panel, scroll down until you find the background section. It may be grouped under appearance or theme-related controls, depending on your layout, but keep scrolling until you see background clearly called out. Click background to expand its options. You'll see a button or icon to add a background, often shown as a plus sign. Click the plus to start choosing a new background. Surveymonkey typically offers a selection of preset images and styles. Browse through the available options and select one that aligns with your brand, campaign, or the mood you want to set for respondents. As you explore, think about legibility. If your questions sit on top of the background, aim for images with subtle patterns or softer tones so your text stays easy to read. High contrast combinations usually work best. When you find a background you like, select it to apply the change. You should see the survey preview update so you can confirm how it looks with your existing questions and buttons. If something feels too busy, try a cleaner option before finalizing. Once you're happy with your choice, click Done to confirm the change. That's it. The new background is now part of your survey's design. If you collaborate with a team, this is a great moment to share the updated look and get a quick thumbs up on readability and overall vibe. And remember, you can always return to the same settings area to adjust or switch backgrounds later if your needs change. To recap, open your survey from the dashboard, head to settings on the left, scroll to background, add and choose the style you want, and click Done. Simple, quick, and a reliable way to give your survey a polished on-brand finish.